Hello everybody. In this video, I would like to show you how to retrieve information from a data area to your program using SQL. Of course, you can use the functions in RPG to retrieve this information, but if you want to do it with SQL, it is possible too. So, to show you how to do it, let's create a simple data area. For example, the name can be test, my library, character 100, and this is test, for example. Okay, if you want to see the content of the data area that I have just created, you have to write display data area library and the name, and you will see the content, the type, the library, everything. Let's go to VS Code now. Let's connect to the IBMi and let's create a simple program to show you how to do it. Okay, let's create a new member in my SQL RPG source. Test SQL 03 SQL RPG, because I'm going to use SQL functions. Okay, let's create a simple program. I'm not going to use the cycle in this program. So let's define the main procedure and return. Okay. Let's, as always, when I'm writing a program in SQL, I'm always setting the option commit none if I'm not going to use the commit control. And now I'm going to use an SQL function to retrieve the data information. And this is the data area value. Select data area value into data from table. The table is QSys2 data area info, and now I'm going to write the data area name. It is test, and the library where it is. Okay, let's declare the data. Data is a char 100, and well, let's test it. Let's first of all, we're going to compile it. Okay, and now let's go to the green screen. Let's start debug session. Okay, let's stop it here, and let's call the program test SQL03. Okay, so if you see, when I press F10, I'm retrieving the information into this variable. Let's see the content, and that's it. You have this way the content of the data area in your variable in a very simple way. Okay. What about the local data area? Of course, you can retrieve the information of the local data area in the same way. Let's, for example, display data area LDA, and you will see that now my LDA is completely blank, it's completely empty. So let's change it. Okay. For example, from 1 to 100. This is my local data area. Okay. If I want to see the content now, you can see it. Okay. Let's go to my program. And now let's change this. Let's put here LDA, and let's put here this. So it is going to retrieve information from the local data area. Let's compile it. Okay, and let's start a new debug session. Okay, and let's stop it again in that place. Let's call the program and let's press F10. So if I see the content of my data variable, that's it. You have the content of my local data area. Okay, as you see, this is a way for retrieving information from data areas. Okay, so if you liked this video, please press thumbs up button, and please follow the channel so you will be notified every time I upload a new video about RPG and SQL. Thanks for watching.